Listen, this Saturday Morning Runnings, we're coming with a message for every one of us who has been sacrificing, delaying dreams, and putting life on pause just to keep everything and everyone else together. Our topic this week is Celebrate Yourself. We've come too far not to. Because many of us put off traveling, put off exploring the world, put off joy, always saying, one day, one day. But after the early mornings, the late nights, the private tears, the quiet battles, but after that one day can finally be now. So this Saturday at 10 a.m., join us. So as we talk about wearing your crown with joy, even if it sits on top of a few scars. Pat yourself on the shoulder for the job well done. Celebrate publicly what you sacrificed for privately. And step boldly into the world you once put on hold. Saturday Morning Runnings, where culture meets conversation. Watch live on Voices with Lady D on YouTube. No miss it. It a go nice.